Hello and welcome to Zepson Hosting Services. In the previous video, I showed you on how you can log into your cPanel from Zepson Hosting Client area. If you haven't watched the video yet, click at the link of the top right corner of this video. You can go and watch the video. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can create your own email account based on your domain name. In the Zepson Hosting cPanel, go to Email section of the left menu. Click on Email Account. Now you'll be redirected to the section where you can manage all your emails. Now at the top right of this page, you can see email 1/20. This means that at this particular plan, you can only create 20 emails maximum. To create a new email box, click on Add New Mailbox. Now enter the name of your email. For example, support@domain. Make sure the domain is already added to the Zepson Hosting cPanel. If you haven't added the domain, you have to check the next video on how you can add domain to your Zepson Hosting cPanel. Now, click on password and copy the password, or you can create your own password. Make sure the password is strong and secure. Now click on size of the inbox. Here you can decide how much storage do you allocate to your Zepson Hosting webmail. For this case, I will assign 1 GB or 1 gigabit. Now click on Add. To log into this webmail, click on the auto login icon in the right of this table. The system will automatically log you in and you can see the view of this webmail. Now at the right, you can see the email that you have logged in currently. You can see the inbox, sent emails, junk, trash, etc. In the next video, I'm going to show you on how you can add this email into your mobile phone and use it from any client. Thank you.